Papayas are not only delicious ripe, but unripe as well. The green papaya is great. It's utilized in a Vietnamese or Thai salad. The F.N. Sharp chef's knife or Santoku knife are great for this task. Cutting the papaya in half widthwise, then again to make a quarter, take a spoon and just simply spoon out all those seeds. We can lay the cut side down and cut into moon-shaped rings, and then carefully, using towards the tip of the knife, we're gonna go ahead and just peel back that outer skin and then slice into triangles. Perfect for a fruit salad. Alternatively, you can use half the papaya standing upright, slice down on the sides and simply cut away at the skin. You can slice into circles, leaving the seeds for a nice presentation. And don't forget to visit fnsharp.com.